Hey guys, so I just got this, oh my god, that was so noisy. I just got this amazing product. You guys want to know what it is? They're shoes. And today I'm going to show you a bunch of extreme flexibility poses, and I'm going to kind of go in the jeans theme because those shoes are gonna blow your mind. So we're gonna review them and then you get to see some of my extreme contortion. So let's get started. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me keep that box because I'm like a cat. I love to play with boxes. Look at this. So this is called Ouder Smile. And those are some really interesting shoes. So I opened them already, but I wanted to reopen them with you guys on camera. So you get to review them with me. So let's see. First of all, we love the jeans. I've always wanted kind of like a thing, which is why I'm wearing jeans. It's like, okay, so I'm trying to I'm gonna put this here. Hopefully you guys can still hear me, but I'm just gonna be opening this, so yeah, I won't be doing it contortion style. Hopefully. These are the shoes. Yes, I love them. A little, yes. Right. Let me just go like look at this here. We got some super long laces. I think it's both cool, like, and just it's a little odd, I don't know why, but it's really cool to me. Let's see. Long they are. Nah, okay. Like it's a sleigh, but like, jeez, look at this. I love it so far. So that's what they look like. They have the big smile in front of the shoe, which is really cute. So far, let's see what they look like on my feet. Okay. Get in there. The struggle. I got my hair stepped on my hair. So overall, these are perfect for those who like to stand out, such as Bendy Me, Medusa, and they are with platform kicks, durable denim. They're made out of like jeans, which is, I love this kind of theme I got going on. Very unique, and they're super cute and super comfy and just unique. I love that because you want to be unique. That's what you want in life. Yes. Anyway, overall amazing quality, and I totally recommend. Link in the description down below if you are interested. I think I got a code, and if I do, and if I'm correct, you should have 20% off using my code. So check that out. And now I'm gonna kind of model for a little bit, and then so like you can let's model.